Hi everybody! Today we have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus to open up. This should have 5 full-size products in it. It costs $25. I got to pick one of these items and I did look and peek at what I was getting. Here's a quick look inside. Oh. This month, this is February, the theme is Feel the Love. And it doesn't have the products inside. Will you be our Valentine?
No.
I don't have anybody else. Let's look at the bag that came this month. It's a blush pink. It's a little bit shiny. It's like a fake cobbly leather with this beautiful burgundy zipper and lined with the same burgundy. Isn't that cute? Mm. This is Jack. I forgot to introduce him. He likes to be in videos with me. Oh, it's cold. I just got this from outside. Let's start with the item that I got to pick. I picked the Dominique Cosmetics Sweater Weather Eyeshadow Palette. Look at its textured. That's neat. Doesn't it look cozy? It looks like a sweater. Here are the colors. Aren't they pretty?
I like that one. It's blue.
It's like a blue purple and a pink and a
sandy color.
Yeah, they're very pretty. Oh, let's swatch them because I want to see if they are soft. Fuzzy probably won't show up on my skin. Oh, it kind of does. Ooh, that one was pretty. The toasty color. There's one called Cuddle, Chill.
Oh, the blue one's
Chill.
Chill.
It's pretty. It looks very purple on my skin. And then that one is Messy Bun. Very pretty colors for fall. Or for, excuse me, winter. And I kind of like the shape of it, the long, thin shape.
It's still gonna be summer.
I know. I'm looking forward to that. And, oh, I also forgot to mention that 2 of these items are add-ons. I'll show them at the... Alright, and we got, next up, a pack of 3 face masks. I have 2 daughters, so this will be fun. We can each have one and have like a mask night. These are from Sweet Chef. One of them is called Beet Plus Vitamin A Fresh Pressed Sheet Mask. It's for refining pores and smoothing rough skin. The next one is Ginger Plus Vitamin C, and this is for brightening dark spots and uneven tones. And then the Kale Plus Vitamin B is for hydrating and smoothing skin.
I'm going to get
it says, selfie approved, don't kale my vibe. Okay, come on in. This is Emily. She's one of the daughters I just spoke of. I told them, Emily, that there were 3 masks, and that was perfect because I have 2 daughters and we have a mask night.
I want to get rid of these black, whatever you call them.
Oh, like the
I'm getting a
pores
lot of them
here.
on my mouth. Yes,
refines pores. I get the kale. And Trinity can have, she doesn't have dark spots, but she can have the ginger. And, alright. Oh, Emily, you missed the first one. The first one was a eyeshadow palette. No.
Oh, Dominique.
Dominique Cosmetics. Alright, while she looks at that, let's go into our next object. We have the BioRace. It's a serum. It's in French. It says the ultimate hydration skincare with Flexamil and Profol. It's moisturizing and enhancing. This is an all-day hydrating serum for moisturizing and improving your skin complexion.
Oh, I love that brown.
I actually want to open it.
That brown's really cute.
Yeah, that was my favorite. See it on me?
Oh, you're better.
Here's the pump. It's so cold. I wonder if it's not going to come out. There we go.
And you need a few pumps first. Oh wait, you're still looking at those. I shouldn't touch
Ooh, feels good cold. I should keep it in my non-existent skincare fridge. Have you seen those?
Yeah, I've seen a lot of products. I just have no idea what to do. Honestly, I think that all these products have a description of what it's for and how to use it.
Because it has what it's for.
How many times have you seen some random like lotion or something in the store and have no idea what it's for?
Hey, it's French though. What's that say? Is it
water? It's just
the water.
It says water serum.
Water. It
says hydrating water serum.
What's it smell like to you?
Did you hear
Your
a
traditional
cameo?
is clean. Like they're just
clean,
clean products. Like
yeah.
it smells normal.
All right, we ready for our next product? Oh.
Yeah.
And next product, I'm not exactly thrilled with, but I think Emily might take it from me. It's the Mackage. It's an eyeliner. And let's check out the tip of it here. That's what it looks like. Oh,
Ooh,
whoa! Look how it's long and.
I love using makeups like as an art
Swatch
form.
that for us. Emily does a lot of like cosplay. Show the camera. Don't write. Okay.
Why wouldn't I write on my face?
So this doesn't say if it's waterproof. It's called
Hard to see on camera.
It's called an ink liner.
But it turned out really clean.
Got a really nice fine tip.
Yeah.
All right, so there you go. Merry Christmas.
Is
This
this
is the next product. Yep. I think.
It looks green on camera. It's not green.
This is a Belle Gar. It's French again, Emily. What's it say? Belle is beautiful.
Yep.
And in Argent.
Oh, beautiful in money.
Beautiful in money.
In as in inside, beautiful in money.
Oh. And this has how to use its lipstick. How to use
Great.
lipstick.
How to use on the one product you don't need to know.
And it's in the shade 3 Plays. Is that a reference? Should I know something about 3 Plays?
I don't know. I'm
know?
uncultured.
Oh, it's shiny. Look at the packaging.
How to use...
Ooh, it's
It
got like
says
little.
wear alone. Are you not supposed to put lip gloss underneath?
So
it?
Oh, maybe
shiny.
not. Oh, it's a pretty color though.
Wait, hold
hold
on.
on. What?
It says wear alone for a
It's cold.
pigmented color, but pair it with our lip gloss.
Oh. Yeah, some people do that.
You look good.
You think it looks
It's just
good on
saying
me?
how
Thank you.
it's just saying how you can use it to style your lips with other products.
Oh. Oh.
It's magnetic.
Oh. Fancy.
It feels very light and cheap, but it's magnetic.
Yeah, it does, but it's. That's so satisfying. All right, so those are my. Oh, she's gonna put it on too. Those are my main 5 items. So let's review really quickly. It didn't have the prices, so I'll have to look them up. We have the. Emily says this is water serum.
It's called hydrating water serum.
And then we have the lipstick that Emily's trying on. We had the eyeliner with a really fine tip.
This is really close to my natural lip color. Like it's just a little bit more pigmented than my natural lip color.
It looks good on you. We had the one I picked, which was the DC Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Jackie handed me this. The masks, which I'm looking forward to trying. They feel really juicy. Is that it, Jackie? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep.
It's only just like a more saturated version of my natural lip.
It looks really nice on you.
It looks a lot darker than it actually is.
And so I'll put right here, I'll put the total value of my box. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, what are you doing? And my add-ons, which I didn't realize that this was such a tiny little lipstick. But I got a lipstick. I don't remember the name brand. It's not on here. Oh, it says Antimatter. I can't remember the name brand.
It
Oh.
draws very well. Very controlled draw.
And there's a symbol on if that helps any. And then, oh, it's so little and cute. Look how little. This one is a much pinker color than the other one I got. Should we mix it with the one we already got?
It said, wear alone. Are you disobeying the instructions?
Wear alone. Ha! I'm a rebel.
I'm gonna.
It looks
take
funny.
the
Maybe I
eyeliner off
should.
my face. If you guys know.
What are you doing?
If anyone knows why I did this, you're the real one.
Oh my goodness. What am I going to do with her? Okay.
Bye.
And then, no, I'm not done yet. And then the other add-on I got was this Pure Love Your Selfie foundation. I have heard really good things about this and I wanted to try it. Let me see what color I got here. I think I got the color LG6.
It's a phone brand.
Ooh. Ooh, it smells good. It smells fresh, like cucumbers. I didn't mean to get this much on here, but...
Is that foundation? That's not your color at all.
Oh my gosh,
That
it's
is
not.
your color.
It's too yellow. Oh, that's disappointing.
That's also darker than your skin tone.
Oh, that's not good. Oh well. Would it work for you? Probably not.
Nope, mine's lighter. My skin's lighter than
And
yours.
and this has like a yellow undertone, and my skin has a red undertone. Oh well, I'll probably still try it just to see how it wears and how it covers. It looks like it's gonna be full coverage for sure.
I think I got it off.
All right, that's all I got. Thank you for joining me and Emily and Jack today, opening my Ipsy Glam bag plus very shortly, my BoxyCharm is going to be coming in, so we'll open that. And finally, my CosBox Winter Welcome Box is coming in. It was supposed like the normal boxes shipped in December. It's now February like 6th or 7th. I don't even know, but I'll finally get that and we'll open that together. So thank you. Bye bye.